Hello friends, welcome to our channel All About Guns. In this video, we'll show you the different parts of 30 caliber pistol. To start with, first we have this slide. This is the slide of 30 caliber pistol. It has the rear sight mounted on it. This is the rear sight. Then we have the front sight. Then we have the extractor and the firing pin. This is called the firing pin. So after the slide we have the trigger. Then we have the trigger return spring. This is the spring used to return the trigger to its initial position. Then we have the grips, the left grip and the right grip. So in this pistol you don't use any screws to lock it, there are the inbuilt locks in it. Next we have the receiver or the frame. This is the receiver of 30 caliber. Then we have the barrel. This is the barrel, and the next part we have is the barrel bushing. This is the barrel bushing. It is used to lock the barrel with the slide. Then we have the recoil spring and the guide. This is the guide and recoil spring. Then we have the magazine. This is the magazine. Then we have the hammer mechanism or the hammer assembly. And the last part we have is the slide stop. This is the slide stop. So to clean these parts you just need a oil spray and a 30 caliber cleaning rod. Thank you for watching our video. Keep coming back for more such videos and don't forget to share and subscribe our channel All About Guns. Thank you.